आमिर खान बॉलीवुड के बेहतरीन एक्टर में से एक माने जाते हैं। अपने अब तक के करियर में आमिर एक से एक नया फिल्में कर चुके हैं। आमिर खान इन दिनों अपनी आने वाली फिल्म लाल सिंह चड्ढा की शूटिंग में बिजी हैं। फिल्म की बची शूटिंग करने के लिए आमिर इन दिनों तुर्की गए हुए हैं। इसी बीच आमिर खान ने तुर्की की प्रथम महिला एमिन एर्दोगन से मुलाकात की है। आमिर की इस मुलाकात की फोटो सोशल मीडिया पर जमकर वायरल हो रही है। सोशल मीडिया पर फैंस आमिर की इस
For the
मुलाकात की
patriot and
फोटो देखकर
conscientious
गुस्सा हो
man
गए
like
हैं।
Amir
यही
Khan,
कारण है
be
कि
it the
मुलाकात
partner
की
in crime
तस्वीर सोशल
wife of
मीडिया
a
पर वायरल
ruthlessly
होने के बाद
Islamist,
मीडिया
bigoted,
यूजर्स उन्हें ट्रोल
misogynist
करने लगे
dictator
हैं।
like Erdogan. Unless perhaps Amir wanted to implore Mrs. Erdogan to condemn the shameless anti-India stance of her husband, or to not support and side with India's enemies on Kashmir so as to make it a den for Islamic terrorism, or to not finance the anti-CA protests, to not make Turkey a haven for ISI, to not see himself as a modern-day caliph espousing religious supremacy, to come clean on his military and logistical support to the ISIS, to accept that his son-in-law was in cahoots with companies buying oil from ISIS, to not perpetrate large-scale violence and genocides on the Kurds, to stop refusing to accept that the Turks murdered 1.5 million Armenians from 1914 to 1917, to not support Islamist terror organizations like the Al-Qaeda, to not carry out ruthless purges, murders, kidnappings, imprisonment of 52,410 journalists, artists, intellectuals, politicians, lawyers in the last 3 years, to not siphon off public money amid recession, to construct a 1,000-room palace to live in, to reject his agreement and acceptance that homosexuality brings disease, to abrogate the constitutional amendment that gives him emergency powers, to impose hijab and alcohol-free zones, or, please give me 30 seconds, perhaps, instead, he congratulated Mrs. Erdogan for inaugurating the mosque built by demolishing the Hagia Sophia church, or for agreeing with her husband that, I quote, no Muslim family should consider birth control because we want to multiply our descendants, end quote. Perhaps Amir wanted to compare notes on religious supremacist views and tell her what he had said in 2010, and I quote, I faced no religious dilemma whatsoever while marrying Hindu women, but of course, I made it very clear that my kids will always follow only Islam, unquote. So yes, we might be looking too much into it. Let's wait for the justice.
आमिर ने कहा था उनकी बीबी को भारत में लगता है डर।
Maybe 6 months, 8 months, there has been a growing sense of despondency, I would say. I mean, when I sit at home and talk to Kiran, Kiran and I have lived all our lives in India. For the first time, Kiran says, should we move out of India? Now, that's a disastrous and very big statement for Kiran to make to me. She fears for her child. She fears for, what the atmosphere around us will be. She feels scared to open the newspapers every day. So that does indicate that there is a sense of growing disquiet. It's a sense of growing despondency. Apart from alarm, there's one part of it is alarm. There's another part you feel depressed. You feel low. You feel, why is this happening? So that sense does exist in me to be.
तुर्की कश्मीर और केरल में आतंकवादी गतिविधियों को बढ़ावा दे रहा है। ऐसे में लोगों का गुस्सा होना जायज है।